Oh my gosh!
Why the hell are you two running in the house like that?
Yeah, what happened, Timmy?
Okay, so me and Greg were wandering in the woods, and we see a house. A really old house. And then we go inside, and we see a guy wearing a mask, chopping up bodies. And then he saw us and started chasing us. And I think he followed us all the way home.
I don't believe any of it. What the hell is that?
I forgot to mention, the guy had a chainsaw.
Here we go again.
That's the guy.
What's going on in here?
We are in trouble.
Holy moly!
Our neighbor!
Holy guacamole! He's gutting him like a fish! Oh, Ow, my ears! Dang, Mom, you could've gave me a warning.
Sorry, honey. It was an automatic reaction.
Guys, I think Billy fainted.
Who cares about Billy? I'm calling the cops. That freak with the chainsaw knows where we live now.
Timmy, you and your friend go hide the neighbor's body in the basement. We don't need the cops showing up thinking we had something to do with it.
And then our neighbor walked in and the freak started gutting him with the chainsaw.
Oh no! Hold up! Did you scream like a girl?
Is that really important?
To me it is, Big Chin! So answer the question or I'm taking you downtown!
Okay, yeah, I screamed like a girl.
I knew it!
Officer, is there anything you can do to help us?
He's back!
Oh no! Oh no! Shut up!
Wait, I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Did he go away?
Maybe.
Maybe his mom called him to come home for dinner. Maybe he didn't want dinner.
Okay, everyone calm down. I'm Officer Bubba, so everything will be okay. You put that weapon down!
Let's go, Officer Bubba!
What the hell? Honey, go fight him.
Me? Okay.
Let's go, Papa Big Chin!
Ah, my face!
Will you quit complaining about your big chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, Big Chin.
Why don't you go do something, big mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Sorry. Timmy!
I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet! It's Ghostface!
I wanna play a game.
What do you think of that,
Of course he hurt his hand! Yo, Doofus, watch out! Ah,
You okay, honey?
Quit playing around and show that freak who's the real Captain Crunch serial killer!
Hey, he took my knife.
Why was he running like that?
Well, at least the freak is gone.
I'm gonna keep his baby chainsaw!
Get away from me!
Dang, bruh!
Yeah, that's why you don't like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face!
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle.
Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me. What are you doing?
Timmy, you're gonna hurt your dad by accident, so can you please stop?
Fine.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray.
Hey, Papa Bitchin, you need a new haircut.
Shut up. Now quiet down. I'm about to listen to the news.
Breaking news! A man with a mask and a chainsaw is terrorizing your neighborhood. Now everyone scream!
Sorry, you remind me of a Teletubby.
That freak is coming back.
Well, let him come back. I got something else for him.
Ooh, let's go, Mom!
Okay, where's that freak with the chainsaw? Baby Trevor, I like your hair.
Where's my hat?
Debbie, you heard about the freak with the chainsaw?
I sure did. I was listening to the news on the radio while eating my buffalo chicken sandwich.
Mom, that freak with the chainsaw was here already, but Timmy's older brother shot him, so he ran away. He's super dangerous.
Zip it, Greg. Mama came prepared.
Well, at least Debbie brought extra firepower. What the?
What the hell?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, Mom!
Oh, snap! Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell!
Dad! I mean, Mom!
That's what you get for taking my knife.
Oh no, bro!
Now hold on. I'm on the floor. This isn't a fair fight.
Ow!
Oh my gosh! What the hell? Stop in the name of cheese! Yeah! Cheeto! Cheeto!
Billy said Mikey rise!
Yeah, I heard. The whole neighborhood heard, you troll.
Yeah, you son of a bushka! Mikey! Get him!
Aw, here it goes!
Damn. Honey, you're awake.
Good job, Mikey. Weasel.
He picked up his chainsaw!
Holy bushka!
Oh, cover your eyes, Timmy. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching!
Thanks, Mikey. Even for me, that's one scary son of a bushka. What's up, old friend? Well, goodbye to you too.
Is he dead? Yeah, he dead. Look at this meatball.
Well, looks like Mikey saved the day. My knife!
Okay, everyone freeze! It's you!
Not again!
He's getting away!
Timmy, go drag that body and put it in the basement.
What the hell?
He's gone!
Living in a world of Western art, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar.